We are thrilled to announce the opening of our expanded state-of-the-art liquid manufacturing facility in Woodlawn, Ohio. This expansion of our Woodlawn campus offers increased manufacturing capacity for our liquid flavor solutions and marks one of the most significant investments MAN has made in our affiliates globally. It represents a multi-generational commitment, ensuring continued supply security and contributes to the local economy.
The North American market is poised for significant growth, and MAN is ready to lead the charge. Our state-of-the-art Woodlawn facility is designed to meet the evolving flavor needs of tomorrow, with projections indicating a substantial increase in our business over the next years. This facility is a family commitment to innovation and market expansion. This incredible investment, exceeding $100 million, ensures we have the capacity to support this growth for the next 20+ years. Currently holding almost 5% of the market share, we aim to increase to 7% in the near future.
Our new facility in Woodlawn expands our capacity for liquid flavors in North America by 5 times. This 100,000 square foot facility includes 60,000 square feet for warehouse storage, ambient, refrigerated, and frozen, and a 25,000 square foot production space. This expansion is not just about growth, it's about commitment. We've been honored with the 2024 Ron Shalleck Economic Development Award, recognizing our dedication to job creation and investment in Woodlawn. Thanks to a grant from Jobs Ohio, we're committed to creating new jobs with many more on the horizon.
Our new facility is a testament to our commitment to efficiency and sustainability. With a 10% increase in automation capability and tripled large tank compounding capacity, we're enhancing our manufacturing efficiencies. Sustainability is at the heart of our operations. We're leveraging solar power for 30% of our energy needs and ensuring that all other energy comes from renewable sources.
MAN's new Woodlawn facility represents our commitment to innovation, sustainability, and community growth. We're excited to continue delivering exceptional flavors while supporting the vibrant economy of Woodlawn. Thank you for joining us on this journey to capture the future of flavors.